Today we'll take a look at how you can be a car key dealer in your local area today. You don't want to miss this one, so stay tuned.
Automotive for beginners.
When you lose your car keys or your car keys go bad, who do you usually turn to? The dealer, right? They've got all the equipment and tools available to reprogram a key and issue you a new one. Thing is, going to the dealer can be pretty expensive. You can expect to pay around $600 and up for a backup set of keys. So instead of going to the dealer from now on, why don't you program your keys yourself and be a key programmer while you're at it? Now you might be thinking, this is going to cost me an arm and leg to start up, isn't it? Here's the good news. To get set up with all the basic equipment, it would cost you about $3,500 to begin with. You get the key programming tool, key cutting machine, key tool generator, and a key chip programmer. All the necessary tools to clone keys from A to Z. It does seem expensive, but if you live in the US, you could qualify for monthly financing, which means you'd only have to pay $96 a month to receive this whole kit setup. And since dealers charge around $600 or more to copy keys, you could charge for way less. Say $300 and still cover your monthly bill if you made just one sale per month, which is about $200 profit per month. Of course, you'll also need empty duplicate keys to clone as well, and you get them pretty cheap at the source I'll be revealing soon. Just know this distributor sells out inventory quickly, and it may take a while whenever they decide to restock. So what can you not do as a key programmer? If someone comes to you with no original key and no spares, you cannot create a brand new key without the codes. Those codes are only given to bonded dealerships and locksmiths. You're out of luck if your customer has lost or broken all keys. What can you do as a key programmer? As long as someone brings you at least one set of working keys, you can clone them, no problem. All tools you buy from the source I'll share comes with a manual and instructions on how to use them. Each tool you use will guide you each step along the way until you complete the task. This programming kit can clone about 70% of the keys on the road. You wouldn't be able to program high-end luxury keys as they usually all have to be programmed at the dealer. But 70% of the vehicles you can work on is practically all the common cars that are on the road. So this toolkit would be pretty much a safe investment to start out in the beginning. Even though you're only paying $96 a month to start with financing, it's still a pretty significant investment for an advanced beginner. That means you'd have to make 38 payments to be in the clear to own all the key programming equipment. But once you're in the clear, after those 38 payments, it's pure profit. And if you're still charging $300 to program keys, then that could turn into a good source of income. So if you generate interest early on and know people who could benefit from your service, then it might be a good idea to start. You could hit up trucking companies, cab companies, Uber drivers, anyone who drives a lot and is more prone to lose keys. Offer your number and service to them at a good rate. Just some ideas to start off with. That also means you can program your own keys and save big on costs for yourself. If this sounds like it's still for you, and check out the link below to learn more. It'll take you to a post I made and the direct source to go to. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe and like. This is Automotive for Beginners, and we'll see you in the next one.